Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go to guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys camera setting. And today video title is guys how to set camera timer, how to use camera timer in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile camera timer setting, so how to use one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone camera. After on your phone camera setting, friends, you can see this tab interface. Friends, you want to change your camera screen, so you can change your screen. You want to use screen, you can use full screen. Friends, click here camera setting. After on camera setting, friends, you can see this type interface. Guys, picture size you want to change, you can change picture size. Friends, you want to use camera QR code setting, so you can on camera QR code setting. And friends, click here friends second option daily capture setting, and friends you can set timer 3 second, 5 second, 10 second. So friends, one by one we will talk about all camera timer setting. First we will click here 3 second, and friends back. Friends, you can see if you click here 3 2 1, photo will click automatic. And friends again click here change timer. Friends, now we will use 5 second timer. So friends, you can check 5 4 3 2 1, photo will click automatic. And friends, you want to use Tecno mobile camera 10-second camera timer. So friends, click here, and friends you can see timer will set 10 second. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, photo will click automatic. So like that friends, you can use camera timer setting. You can set camera timer in your Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to off camera timer, friends click here. After friends, you can click photo without timer, tap, photo will click. Like that friends, you can use camera timer setting in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.